Did you know that a dog was once elected as the mayor of a town? Yep, this actually happened. Welcome to the town of Rabbit Hash, Kentucky, where a friendly dog named Lucy Lou became mayor. It all started when the town decided to have a fun election, and someone nominated Lucy Lou. To everyone's surprise, Lucy Lou won the election. The town loved her playful spirit. Lucy Lou served as mayor for several years, bringing joy and smiles to everyone she met. Her role as mayor included attending town events and being a lovable mascot for Rabbit Hash. Lucy Lou's election proves that sometimes the most unexpected leaders can bring a community together.